Metal fabrication and structural steel manufacturing are essential to industries such as construction, infrastructure, power, transportation, oil and gas, heavy engineering, and industrial manufacturing. From cutting, bending, welding, machining, and assembly to the fabrication of structural steel components, manufacturers require precise production planning, strict quality control, and complete project traceability. PMTechERP is a comprehensive ERP solution designed to streamline every stage of metal fabrication and structural steel manufacturing while improving productivity, quality, and operational efficiency. With PMTechERP, every business function is integrated into a single intelligent platform. From raw material procurement, engineering and project planning, fabrication, welding, machining, surface finishing, quality assurance, inventory management, warehousing, and dispatch, every process is seamlessly connected. This eliminates manual operations, improves collaboration, and provides real-time visibility across the entire manufacturing lifecycle. Advanced production planning enables manufacturers to optimize machine utilization,